Rekha Srivastava. You have given good evaluation, and now I would like to call our chair madam. So please welcome once again.
Thank you, Mr. Arjun. Really, we had a good energetic session. Now, let us know what does our general evaluator have in his mind regarding our performance. So put your hands together for Mr. Manoj Tiwari, who is our general evaluator.
Once again, good afternoon. I'm Manoj Tiwari, General Evaluator of the club. And as you know, my responsibility was to evaluate entire session. So what I have done it. And first of all, I would like to talk about today's PSC. So I will say that it was a magnificent PSC. And things were looking managed. I think everything was looking arranged. They were placed on its place. And speaker, participants, they were prepared and they did a wonderful job today. And now I will come back to our chairperson first, Miss Asna Yadav. So I will talk about her. It was the splendid performance what she did today. A very nice performance, really, I will say. And the way she started the club, it was awesome. I mean, quite various than previous ones what we have had. And she was looking quite energetic, enthusiastic. I mean, she was full with just and zeal. And everything was, she was looking quite calm, cool, and fully composed. And she made a good eye contact while speaking, while initiating the program, I mean, while initiating the club. And she did a really very nice performance. And what I will suggest you, Ms. Asana, that while calling speakers, you call them properly. You welcome them properly. But you call them here before they reach here. You wait for sitting. So do not get yourself in such a hurry. Call them, they will address you, and then you need to sit. Otherwise, it was an awesome performance. And after this, I would like to talk about speech evaluator of today's meeting, Mr. Neeraj Tiwari. So I will say that the performance of Mr. Neeraj was indeed very good. He also started well and did a magnificent job. In spite of this, he has also committed some mistakes. Like when he came here, just said that I has been selected. So it was a big mistake while initiating. You have been selected. You need to say like that. Yeah, got it? And several times you said that the quality of content should be quality of content. Yeah, if any speaker come here and he gives speech, the sentences what he speaks, that is content. Yeah, not content. And there were some more mistakes like, please read grammatical books. You suggested, you recommended someone. So there should be, please read grammatical books. And you speak 1 minute 7 seconds. Should be 1 minute 7 seconds. So these types of silly grammatical errors should not be. Should be taken care by you guys. But because if evaluators will commit such a mistakes, will not be acceptable. And you spoke minimum half an hour. You said for someone, minimum half an hour. Should be minimum half an hour. Got it? When you stand here, you said prayers for Arjun. For someone, you said you stand here. You need to say you came here, not stand here. Sometimes you use your second person. You used should be in past tense. You need to conversation. Looking quite odd sentence. You need to converse, or there should be you need to do conversation. Otherwise, talking about your Jason person, Mapalchi was, no doubt. You, while speaking, you were using your hands and moving. That was really good. And that was plausible. And the one more very important factor, what you covered during your evaluation, that was a recommendation. It was really very splendid. You recommended speakers to get improved, to get overcome on their weak points. That was really laudable. Both the evaluators did so. But one more very weak point I have noticed out from you. That is, you could not point out a single grammatical error of any speaker. you told that you told the speaker that some of them made so many grammatical errors, but you did not notice single of them. I mean one of them. So should be noticed. Got it, Neeraj?
Yes.
Good. And now I will talk about Mr. Arjun Vishwakarma, topic chair of the day. And his performance was also good. He also did a good job. And the topic chair today's meeting. He initiated like that. And topic chair today's meeting. Is it looking good? No. And topic chair of today's meeting. Off was not there. And that made your sentence incorrect. So while starting, you guys will commit such a mistake, so won't make sense, man. And C's topic is, my God. He said C's topic is for Survi. Her topic is man. Got it?
Yeah.
I know. Really, we have good spoken. So ending was wrong and starting was wrong. We have good spoken. We have spoken good. Got it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now it's a time to evaluate our topic evaluator, Miss Priyanka. And talking about her, I will say that she also did a commendable job. Appreciable performance it was. And talking about your mistakes. Just you talked about Miss Shurbi. You said that your eye contact was average. And that was really, she could not make a proper eye contact. But after that you said that your body language was also not good. Your body language was also good. How does it make sense? Your eye contact was average and body language was also good. Why you used also here? I cannot understand this. So should be taken care of. And now I will talk about the most important participants of the club. Mr. Timekeeper, Mr. Rabin, did a splendid job. It was a really tremendous performance what he did today. I mean, he mentioned time properly and kept everybody updated. And that's very good. And now I will say that that's it in my evaluation. I hope our chairperson will go to take his responsibility. Yeah, it's not finished so far.
Thank you, Mr. General Evaluator, and our meeting is over now.